Ecomi holders doing a very big mistake at this time. If you are a holder of Omi coins, so keep watch this video and be safe from loss. My friends, if you don't watch this video and if you skip this video, so absolutely you will get a loss, my friends. Anyways, before starting this interesting video, I request everyone, if you listen my voice, so please click the subscribe button and like this video. I hope you all subscribe my channel. Thank you so much, my friends. Let's move on. First of all, we discuss the price detail, the latest update of the Ecomi, and after that we discuss the mistake of holders doing at this time, my friends. Let's start and let's move on. So now, my friends, the current price, the latest price of the Ecomi as 0.002838 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the Ecomi in the market. On the other side, as you can see here, if we look the price changes occur in the Ecomi, so absolutely, my friends, the last 1 hour price change is positive, except of the last 1 hour, the last 1 day, last 1 week price change is negative, my friends. Only the last 1 hour price change is positive, except of this, the yesterday, the last 1 week price change is negative. So that's mean that the price of any Ecomi has falls down from the yesterday, from the last 1 week. Let's see, my friends, the price chart, what's going on. You can see here, my friends, if you look the last 1 month price chart, that is the last 1 month price chart. In the whole month, the Ecomi price falls down, my friends, whole month. You can see at this time they take a small jump, but unfortunately now at this time they again falls down, my friends. So friends, it is due to the end of month. You know what, the price of why the price of the Ecomi at this time falls down. You can see here now, and the last day start jumping. So why again the price of the Ecomi falls down, my friends? My friend, it is due to the end of month. And you know what, in the end of month, a lot of cryptocurrencies falls down, my friends. Not only Omi coin falls down, my friends. XRP, Cardano, Dogecoin, Shiba, same like that, VeChain, all cryptocurrencies falls down, my friends. And the end of month, it is due to the short-term investor going to sell this coin and they will get one profit from this coin, friends. So that is why the price falls down, my friends. That is why if you decide to sell, my friends, so you are in the loss, because the last 1 month price change is negative 58.49%. Negative change occur in the Ecomi in the last 1 month, so you are in the loss. On the other side, if you decide to hold, my friends, absolutely you will get profit from the Omi coin, because in the future maybe they have a lot of chances to take a huge pump. And my prediction about Omi coin is 100% positive. I believe in the start of June they will take a huge pump and they will give you good amount of profit. So what do you think? What is your opinion? Please share in the comment box and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.